Hi, SakaFet. My name is Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making a creamy, tangy potato salad. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get cooking. These are the ingredients that we are going to need for our potato salad. We have 7 large potatoes, some fresh dill, half of 1 red onion, 2 carrots, half a cup of peas, 4 hard-boiled eggs, half the juice, we're going to use it from 1 lemon, half, and 1/4 of a cup of capers, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 cup of mayo. We are going to peel our potatoes. Now these are russet potatoes, but you can use any type of potatoes. Our potatoes are peeled. We're now going to cut them into chunks. I'm going to put the stove on high just to bring it to a quick boil, and then after we will turn it down to about a medium heat. And we just set that aside. We will add that to the potatoes so it cooks with the potato. Okay, we're going to let that boil for about 8 minutes. Eggs are boiling, so again, turn it down to medium and just let it cook. It's been 8 minutes, our eggs are done. I'm just going to take them off and add some cold water so they can cool off. Our eggs have been cooled. Now we're going to peel them. Now the potato is starting to boil. I will add the carrots so they can cook along with the potatoes. Let me cover it back. Now it's boiling, rapid boil again, so I'm going to turn it down to about a medium and just let it cook. Potatoes are just about cooked, so last minute we just add the peas in. They don't have to cook, they just need to heat up. While it's still hot, I'm going to add my onions. Okay, now we're just going to let it cool. I'm going to take it out from the pot and just rest it on a plate. We are going to put our mayonnaise in a bowl. Then we're going to add our black pepper. Salt. Paprika. I'm going to leave half of the paprika to put on top once it's all finished. And we're going to add our dill. And lemon juice is our last ingredient. potato is now cool enough, so we are going to give it a shake just to mix everything together here. And then we're going to put it into our bowl. We are going to add our eggs. Capers. And paprika. Give it a stir. And now we add our sauce. Now, if you like it really creamy, you can always add more mayo. If you find it's not saucy enough. Put a little bit of chopped parsley just on top. That's our potato salad. You want to keep it in the fridge for about an hour, maybe 2. The longer you leave it, the better it's going to taste. And there you have it, creamy, tangy potato salad. Delicious.